Ooh, Jesus. Yahtzee. Damn. Bitch, what's up though? Okay, broke a whole nail though, huh? What's up, hun? I'm Cameron J. My hair. What's pulping? Today's video will be my updated wash day routine. If you guys saw my last video, which if you didn't, I'll put it in here somewhere for you to go and watch that. But my last video showed you how I make my bentonite clay, my version of a deep conditioner, and then how I style my hair. Today's video, I decided to switch my clay to rhassoul clay. It is very moisturizing. I've tried it before. My hair loves it. Bentonite clay can be very drying. Sis ain't having it. I've also decided to incorporate aloe vera juice into my deep conditioner and as my leave-in conditioner. So I will show you guys how I make that clay wash. If you want to see my new updated wash routine, bye. I have to do quite a bit of finger detangling because I stretched out wash day for 2 weeks. Sis is dry, sis is tangled. Then I'm gonna go in with my new tangle teaser. It's the thick and curly kind. So you guys will see how that works out for me. A beat's knocking. One half a section, done. It's a fucking battle. I'll be back. Ooh, bitch. This was a battle. This is how much hair I lost, an entire head worth. Now let's move on to this rhassoul clay wash, cause honey, the scalp is screaming. Our bowl, applicator bottles, about raw, whoopsies. Raw honey, tea tree oil, rose oil, lavender and rosemary oil, neem oil, olive oil, rhassoul clay, fresh aloe vera leaf, which we're going to blend up with some water and a little bit of these oils. We have some pantyhose, because I couldn't find a cheese straining cloth or whatever it's called. Cut off the sides. Look at sis struggling. She clearly don't cook. Lord of mercy. If you have a better method to get this aloe vera gel out, then help a sister out and leave that in the comments because this was a doozy. Alright guys, so I've gotten half of the whole aloe vera leaf in the blender. This is the other half that I'm going to use probably for my deep conditioner. Now don't have it dripping sauce, but add just a little bit of filtered water to your aloe vera gel mix and blend it until you don't see any chunks. This will make straining the aloe vera easier when it's time to add it to your rhassoul clay mix. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to stretch this over the cup like such. To strain the mix twice to make sure there's no pulp left behind. Add half a cup of fresh aloe vera juice to your clay mix. Half a leaf should give you that amount. Tablespoon of neem oil, tablespoon of virgin olive oil, tablespoon, couple drops of tea tree oil, couple drops of rosemary, couple drops of lavender oil, tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. Guys, what I would suggest is just mixing all the ingredients in your applicator bottle and then shaking it up. Now I'm going to make a second one of these, you know, just in case. I decided to apply this clay mixture in the shower, 1, to save time, and 2, it's really messy. I got hot sauce, I got hot sauce, Hubby's knocking, yeah. Sauce dripping off the bag, shit I fuck it up, yeah. Off Michael Jackson, shit I fuck it up. I be dripping with the sauce, put your things on the glass. I got prints on the glass. Sauce dripping off the bag. As usual, guys, I completely saturate my hair at the roots, making sure to scrub my scalp, and then I saturate the rest of my hair. I left this mixture on for about 15 minutes. So, for my deep conditioner, I have these 2 pieces of the leaf left. This time around, I'm not adding water to the mix. I only want 100% of the gel for this deep conditioner. Fuck it up, off Michael Jackson, damn shit, fuck it up. I be dripping with the sauce, put your things on the glass. I got prints on the glass. Sauce dripping off the bag, shit, fuck it up, off Michael Jackson, damn shit, fuck it up. I be dripping with the sauce, put your things on the glass. I got prints on the glass. Buffalo gas, I get to get in the bag. Flexing my wrist on the gram. You looking mad, whole squad looking sick. Bitch, your team look bad. You and your feelings. I live in my best. The pulp that's in here, there's still some more gel I can get out of here. And I actually have a little bit of leaf left. So I'm gonna put this in the blender and put this in the blender, add some water, strain it, and I'm gonna use that for my leave-in conditioner mix. What I'm gonna add to the aloe vera gel, my Jessie Curl conditioner. This is still my favorite conditioner, guys. I don't know what you thought this was, but we use this for everything. The raw honey again. We're gonna take our neem oil, add a little bit of that. Guys, for the measurement, I just eyeball it. Do what feels right for your hair. Extra virgin olive oil. Mix her up. It's like egg yolk consistency. Just to make sure I got a good mix on it, I'm gonna put this in the blender, strain it again. For my leave-in conditioner, I took some of the aloe vera leaf, added some water, put it in the blender, strained it twice to make sure there's no kind of pulp coming through, and then I mixed in a little bit of my oils. So I mixed in a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of neem oil, and I'm gonna put in a little bit of rosemary, couple drops, not a lot, and lavender oil. Literally just 1 or 2 drops, guys. Mix it up, pour this in your bottle, and now I'm gonna fill the rest up with water just to dilute the mix. All right, so this will be my leave-in / refresher throughout the week. All right, guys, so it's time for me to put my conditioner in to re-wet my hair because it dried a little bit. No aloe vera left behind, sis. Oh my goodness, it's so much slip. That is crazy. Boy, what? You want to talk to me later?
Do you want to talk to me later?
Sure, bye.
Well, I don't like your pussy hanging out the bottom like it's fat.
It is not.
What type of brush is that? That's a new one right there, huh?
You know, it's called the Tangle Teaser 3000. Do y'all see these fucking curls popping? Holy shit, bitch. Anyway, go ahead. Hair is fully detangled. Now we're going to put on our shower cap, and you guys know the drill. Put that hot head on, 30 minutes. I really can't find this fucking shower cap, dude. Alright, y'all, so I've washed out the conditioner. I've got my good old leave-in right here to seal in the moisture from my leave-in. I'm just gonna use my mom's special oil blend. I put it in this bottle just like I did last time. bag of rollers. Just because I love the way this stuff makes my hair feel, I am gonna put a little bit on my hair, not a lot, you know, just a little bit. Oh my goodness. I'll be back. Ooh, Lord, give me strength. Yes, Lord, let your will be done. Shit. Okay, rollers are in. Bonnet is on. I'm gonna go put the rest of my leave-in conditioner in the refrigerator so that it will last me for the week, and I will see you guys when I take these out. Bye. Alright guys, so it's day number 2. Today I'm gonna take my rollers out, but first, you know, let me just go ahead and beat my face. Okay. Alright y'all, all the rollers are out, so you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take our special oil blend, coat the fingers, separate these curls. Alright guys, so I'm done, gave it a little shake. So, I will be the first to say, y'all, aloe vera is probably gonna start being my new thing. When I tell you guys, that rhassoul clay wash was the most moisturizing wash I've ever had. Like when I finished rinsing that stuff out, I almost didn't even feel like I needed to condition afterwards. Never feel like that after doing the bentonite clay wash. I'm definitely gonna stick with that. The deep condition I did with that aloe vera, bitch. Bruh. Oh, dripping sauce, okay? Hair was just moisturized to the gods, okay? And my hair feels really, really good. I can't lie. So this is probably gonna end up being my new routine. If you learn something or if you see something you may like, if you wanna try it out on your hair, let me know. Leave that in the comments. You guys let me know what you wanna see next, you know. Until then, I'ma just keep providing random content. I'm out, bitch. Where's this damn shower cap?
Try that, let's check in the shower.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh, you were right.
That's normally where you keep shower caps.
What's up, hun? How would you know where I keep my shower caps at?
I've been in your shower a couple times.
Bitch, get it together. Ooh, it's a little dusty. Yeah, I can't fuck with this one. Hold on.